welcome to my channel, SteveO the Window Cleaner. Today we're going to talk about how to backflush your Xero Pure. Today we're using a Xero Pure X2, but you can do the same thing with your regular Xero Pure. It's a good idea to backflush your RO and to clean out the wastewater, I would say at least 3 to 4 times a year, and it's usually a good time to do it right before you're going to replace your resin and use that bad resin just to flush out the rest of the system. But today I'm just going to show you how to connect it all up so that you can do it correctly. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to take your water source here and you're going to disconnect your input to your DI, just like so. So you're going to thread that in to your DI input there. And then what you're going to do, you're going to take the hose that you use from the RO to the DI, you're going to put that up into your carbon filter, like so. So that's basically bringing the clean DI water from the DI through your carbon filter. Now, you're going to remove the carbon filter inside here. So take that carbon filter out, set it aside, put that back on empty. Okay. And then you're going to keep this RO valve, which is usually your good RO water, off. So no water is going to be coming out of here. The only water that's going to be coming out is of your wastewater, okay? And then I'll show you with the TDS meter kind of what's happening here. And basically what you'll do is you'll run this for about 10 to 15 minutes until your TDS starts getting lower and lower on your wastewater. Usually it's about 10 to 15 minutes. So we'll turn the water source on and I'll kind of show you the different TDS readings we get. So as the system starts to run, you'll start to see just water come out of the wastewater. You'll take your TDS meter that you got with your Xero Pure and you'll test the water coming out of there. So the water currently is only 48, so my ROs are all pretty good, really. But as you start letting that go longer and longer, sometimes you'll find maybe the TDS of that water could be 300, 400. You kind of just want to get that lower. So there's not like a recommended amount. You might get down to 50s, you might get down to 40s, you might get down to 20 TDS from that. But it's basically just to clean out that wastewater and let it go for about 10 to 15 minutes. And usually that will clean out some of that bad water and kind of just keep your system working good. And remember, it's always smart to be changing out your carbon filter about every 4 to 8 weeks. And then your resin, I would say you're probably going to change once or twice a year depending on your TDS of your area. But we'll just check this again. See, we're already down to 30 and we've only been running it for, I would say, about 45 seconds. So as these things keep going longer and longer, the TDS will keep going down. It's probably not going to go down to a full 0, but it's just a good idea to take care of your system and maintain it. And I would just do this at least about 3 to 4 times a year, especially if you're in a warmer climate and you're using it all the time. Me in Colorado, I do this about twice a year, only during the spring, summer, early fall season. So that is how to hook it up, and that is how to backflush your Xero Pure. Have a good day. Bye-bye.